Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to make some withdraw, and I also buy some packs, and also talk about some information about CTPASSIVE. Now CTPASSIVE is just a passive income program that earns you daily income on your invested funds. Actually they do trade, and they use our funds to trade, and in return they give us daily passive income of 1.5%. So this is the site, and it was launched on December 8th, 2019. Currently it has got 8,253 members, and the CEO talked of closing membership to new members when the total members clocked to 10,000 members. So those who are not in yet, the number is going up. We are already at 8,000 members, so you can take up a decision and join before they close membership for phase 1. It has already paid out over $380,000, and it has never missed any payment since it was launched on December 8th. Even through the hard times of the coronavirus pandemic, the site has been paying its members without any fail. It is owned by this guy. It's called Gerald, and is from Australia. The company is also Australian registered, and for those who can build teams, you can have up to 5 levels of referral commissions, from 8% level 1, 4% level 2, 1% level 3, 1% level 4, and 5% level 5. So me personally, I've been able to earn commissions on all these levels because I've recruited members, and my team is over 50 now. So this is CTPASSIVE. They have only one plan, which is the $5 packages, and you can buy up to 1,000 packages per day. So now I'm going to log into my account. I do some withdraw, and I also buy new packs. Click on login. Stress-free is my username. So enter the captcha 3W7. And I log in. As you can see, I've logged in successfully. So this is my back office. This is my back office. My team is so far at 51, and these are the balances I have so far. So I'm going to buy new packs, and I also make a withdraw from the cash balance. So let me first buy the packs. Click on finance, purchase positions. Remember, all of them are $5. So the balance was 24. I think from that I can only buy 4. I'm going to only use the repurchase balance. Repurchase balance. Choose 5 packs, which is $20. Therefore, choose $20. Enter the captcha 6ZI. And I pay. So I've bought the packages. I've bought them. If we can go to earning balances, we are going to see them there. They are here. I've just bought them. They have not earned anything, as you can see. Now, yesterday but one, I also bought some packs. I bought 2. See, they have already started making earnings here. So each day we get 1.5%. Now I'm going to also make a withdraw. Go to finance and I request a withdraw. And we can only request withdrawals from the cash balances, so I'm going to use only this balance. There is 24. I think that let me just withdraw all that. 4, and I will be able to receive 21 because there are some charges with 5% and also the 1% US dollar. So I'll be able to receive 21. I submit the withdrawal. First I'll put it there. My request has been sent successfully. So I can also track these ones from the withdraw history. This is my recent request. As you can see, it is 21. All these ones it is pending, and all these ones have been paid. As you can see, the green tick, they have been paid manually, and I received them. So in a few hours, I'm going to receive this one also. So if I go to the overview, this is now my balances have reduced. So now in total I have 150 positions. 150 positions, how much is that? If I put this simple calculator here, it's 150 times $5, which is 750. So far that I have in the system. So this thanks guys. For those who want to register into this CTPASSIVE program, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video, and also some valuable information like the link to the Facebook group and also some tutorials below it that can help you get started. So see you in the next video guys.